Welcome back to the coolest tech, where innovation, discovery, and the extraordinary converge. Ever wondered if there's a simpler way to handle transactions without dealing with banks, online wallets, and third-party apps? Well, you're in luck because blockchain technology offers a revolutionary solution. In this video, we'll take you through everything you need to know about blockchain in an easy-to-understand manner. Let's start with a relatable scenario. Four friends, A, B, C, and D, decide to meet up for dinner. After a delightful evening, it's time to settle the bill. A takes the lead and covers the entire expense, and the friends agree to split the costs later. The following day, D decides to send his share of the dinner bill to A using an online money transfer. The transaction goes smoothly without any hiccups. However, when B and C attempt to send their respective contributions to A, they encounter issues. The transactions fail, and the bank cites various reasons for these failures. A soon learns about the many pitfalls of traditional banking transactions, such as technical glitches at the bank, account hacking, exceeding daily transfer limits, and additional charges like transfer fees. To address these challenges, the concept of cryptocurrency emerged. Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual currencies that operate on a technology called blockchain. Blockchain technology offers numerous advantages, including resistance to counterfeiting, decentralization, and robust encryption. In a market flooded with thousands of cryptocurrencies like Litecoin, Ethereum, Zcash, and more, Bitcoin stands out as the front-runner. Now let's revisit the dinner scenario and imagine that D, B, and C want to contribute 2 Bitcoins each to cover their dinner expenses. Suppose D, B, and C have 3 Bitcoins each in their reserves, while A holds 5. D initiates the process by sending 2 Bitcoins to A, creating a record in the form of a block. This block contains information about the transaction and the number of Bitcoins owned by each friend. After D's transaction, A's balance increases to 7 Bitcoins, while D's balance drops to 1. Following this, C and B send 2 Bitcoins each to A, generating new blocks for these transactions. These blocks record the transaction details and the Bitcoin balances of C, B, and A. These blocks are interconnected, forming a chain of records known as a ledger. This ledger is shared among all friends, serving as a publicly distributed ledger and forming the foundation of blockchain technology. Now, what happens if D attempts to send 2 more Bitcoins to A when he only has 1 left? The transaction will be rejected because all friends have copies of the ledger, and it's evident that D doesn't possess sufficient Bitcoins. His friends will flag this transaction as invalid. Thanks to blockchain's transparency and security, hackers cannot tamper with the data within the blockchain. Every user holds a copy of the ledger, and the data is encrypted using complex algorithms. In essence, blockchain is a collection of records linked together, highly resistant to alterations, and safeguarded by cryptography. Now, let's delve deeper into the Bitcoin transaction between A and D to understand how it works. In the Bitcoin network, every user has 2 keys, a public key and a private key. The public key functions as an address known to all network's participants, similar to an email address. In contrast, the private key is a unique and secret address known only to the user, much like a password. D initiates the transaction by providing the number of Bitcoins he wants to send to A, along with their unique wallet addresses through a hashing algorithm. These details form part of the transaction information. Next, these details are encrypted using encryption algorithms and D's private key, digitally signing the transaction to indicate it comes from D. This encrypted data is then transmitted worldwide using A's public key. Only A's private key, which only A knows, can decrypt and verify the transaction. Different cryptocurrencies employ distinct hashing algorithms. Bitcoin uses SHA-256, while Ethereum uses Ethash. These transactions, and many others like them, occur globally, validated, and added to the blockchain, 1 block at a time. The individuals who validate these blocks are known as miners. For a block to be validated and added to the blockchain, miners must solve a complex mathematical problem. The miner who solves it first earns the privilege of adding the block to the blockchain and receives a reward of 12.5 Bitcoins. This process of solving the complex mathematical problem is termed proof of work, and the act of adding a block to the blockchain is referred to as mining. This process updates D and A's wallet balances, just like every other user in the network who completes a transaction. Let's shift our focus to a real-world application of blockchain by examining how Walmart utilizes this technology to enhance customer service. Walmart faced challenges in delivering high-quality products to its customers, resulting in a high return rate and substantial refunds due to product quality issues. The company struggled to pinpoint where failures occurred throughout the supply chain, spanning from farms and storage to transportation, processing, and ultimately customer delivery. To address these issues, Walmart adopted blockchain technology. With blockchain, critical information about the quality of products at each stage of the supply chain was permanently recorded within a block. For example, when a customer reports a product as damaged, blockchain technology enables Walmart to accurately trace where the damage occurred within the entire supply chain. This newfound visibility allowed Walmart to identify problem areas and implement necessary improvements swiftly. This is just one example of how blockchain technology can be applied to real-life situations to enhance transparency and efficiency. Can you think of other ways blockchain can be utilized in various industries? Share your thoughts in the comments below. In conclusion, blockchain technology has the potential to revolutionize the way we conduct transactions, enhancing security, transparency, and efficiency. Its applications extend far beyond cryptocurrencies, impacting industries ranging from supply chain management to healthcare and finance. As we continue to explore the possibilities of blockchain, the future holds exciting opportunities for innovation and transformation across multiple sectors. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of blockchain. If you enjoyed this video, drop us a comment below. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more enlightening content. May these innovations inspire your journey of exploration and curiosity. Until next time.